make the most requested video from you guys. You guys have been asking me since a long time that how I used to edit my Instagram pictures. So today I am going to share with you guys my editing skills. So this video will be gonna very helpful for you guys, and stay tuned with the video. I'm not gonna talk a lot in this video because this video already going to be very long. So yeah, let's get into the video. So basically for my editing I use 3 apps, that is Lightroom, Snapseed and PicsArt. So I'm taking this picture and using Snapseed first. Then I'm using healing, and I'm going to heal all those parts which I not want in my picture, and then crop some part. Now I am using selective tool to make my skin more glowy. I am increasing the brightness and contrast, also saturation a little. Yeah. Now I am cropping a little bit and more, and then I am going to heal the door part because I don't want this on my picture. So I am healing that part. And now I am expanding the side so it looks more better, and then heal that unnecessary part. And yeah, that's it. Snapseed is done, and then adding picture to Lightroom. Let's go to Lightroom, and I have all my presets here. I am using my peachy presets right for this picture. So I'm going to show you how you can make this peachy picture. I am putting my expose little down and contrast little up, and shadow little down, little up, sorry, highlight little down, and white little down, and black also little down. Just check that your picture looks better. For curves, the upper part is the highlight part and the downward part is shadow part. So I am decreasing the shadow, highlight, and increasing the shadow. And then temptation little up, tint little down, vibration little up, and saturation little down. And now going to mix and use making the color correction. That's the most important thing. So let's see how it works. You need to see the desired color you need for your picture. As I want this picture in peachy vibe, so I'm using yellow color less and more of orange because it also looks more aesthetic and peachy as well, and little bit blue. Yeah, I think it's look better. Now that's it about mix, and then use little texture and clarity dehaze. Then going to sharpening, vintage, little grain and sharpening. That's it. Your peachy picture is ready. So now using Facetune. Facetune is a really nice app for some smoothing, some part of smoothing and healing. So I use smoothing for my legs because it looks more detailed when we click pictures. So I use smooth. I don't use this app much, but sometimes when it looks more detailed picture, so I use this one. And I am smoothing my skin, mostly my skin, and also my skirt, because the skirt is more detailed, I think. So I'm using this smoothing to make it look little better. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so now coming to PicsArt. I'm saving the picture in two ways. I just use Noisy first and save the picture, and now I'm taking the same picture again, and from going to tools, I am using the selection tool and copy paste my picture. Yeah, so here I am putting my picture in one side. This is a more advanced way you can create your picture, and before I use just noise to make it simple. And now I am using a frame which has to be a shadowish frame. So yeah, here we have a frame. I'm taking this frame to the picture. And the inner shadow is here also, but I am removing the outer shadows of the frame. And now I am using a text where it's written aesthetic. So yeah, here we go, and use some noise to make it look more aesthetic. That's it, guys. So hope you have enjoyed. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys find it very helpful, and let me know if you want more such videos for editing or something like other. So let me know in the comment section below, and hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is the usual thing I used to talk. And send me some pictures on Instagram to let me know that you guys have edited pictures like me. So yeah, bye guys, see you soon. Love you. This video